Welcome back, dear microbiologist. Today, we're diving into the world of food poisoning. From Salmonella to E. coli, we'll explore the microorganisms that can turn your meal into a miserable experience. Let's get started. What is food poisoning? Food poisoning occurs when we consume contaminated food or drinks containing harmful microorganisms like bacteria, viruses, or parasites. These pathogens can cause a range of symptoms, from mild discomfort to life-threatening conditions. Common foodborne pathogens. Let's meet some of the most notorious foodborne pathogens. 1. Salmonella, found in poultry, eggs, and produce. 2. E. coli, linked to undercooked ground beef, unpasteurized juice, and contaminated water. 3. Campylobacter common in raw poultry, unpasteurized dairy, and contaminated water. 4. Norovirus, highly contagious and often spread through contaminated food and surfaces. 5. Listeria, can contaminate soft cheeses, hot dogs, and deli meats. 6. Clostridium botulinum, can cause botulism from improperly canned or preserved foods. 7. Staphylococcus aureus, can produce toxins in dairy products, meats, and prepared salads. Symptoms and diagnosis. Symptoms of food poisoning can vary depending on the pathogen, but most common signs include nausea and vomiting, diarrhea or bloody stools, abdominal cramps, fever, headaches, and fatigue. Diagnosis often involves stool tests, blood tests, or food samples. In some cases, endoscopy or colonoscopy may be necessary. Prevention and treatment. To prevent food poisoning. 1. Handle food safely. Wash hands, utensils, and surfaces regularly. 2. Cook food thoroughly, especially meat, poultry, and eggs. 3. Avoid cross-contamination, separate raw and cooked foods. 4. Choose safe foods, opt for pasteurized dairy and juices. 5. Store food properly. Keep raw meat, poultry, and seafood separate from ready-to-eat foods. Treatment typically involves supportive care, such as hydration and rest. In severe cases, antibiotics or hospitalization may be necessary. Let's look at some real-life examples of food poisoning outbreaks. 1. Salmonella in eggs. A major outbreak led to widespread recalls. 2. E. coli in romaine lettuce. A recent outbreak sickened hundreds and caused several deaths. 3. Listeria in cantaloupe. A 2011 outbreak that claimed some lives. 4. Norovirus on cruise ships. Several outbreaks have been reported in recent years. Food safety tips. Safety tips. Here are some additional food safety tips. 1. Check expiration dates. Don't consume expired or spoiled food. 2. Refrigerate perishables. Keep food at a safe temperature. 3. Avoid raw or undercooked foods, especially for vulnerable populations like pregnant women and immunocompromised individuals. 4. Wash, produce. Rinse fruits and vegetables thoroughly before consumption. 5. Use safe water. Avoid contaminated water sources. By following these tips, you can reduce your risk of food poisoning. Vulnerable populations. Some populations are more susceptible to food poisoning, including pregnant women, immunocompromised individuals, older adults, young children. These individuals should take extra precautions to avoid foodborne illnesses. That's a wrap on food poisoning. Remember, food safety is everyone's responsibility. By understanding the microbial culprits behind food poisoning, we can take steps to protect ourselves and our loved ones. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more microbiology content. If you have questions or topics you'd like to explore further, leave them in the comments below. We'll see you in the next video.